of my progress for the month of October. I know it's November 17th today. However, I didn't get a chance to film because my country had an island-wide electrical outage, and there has been a lot of like changes in my life, so I haven't been able to come on here and film. But I'm back. Oh, and I also had like a very bad case of acne, so I didn't want to come on camera looking all jacked up. But here I am, and I am ready to show you guys what progress I made. So the two things I remain consistent with this month is stretching my hair with tools and also keeping my hair protected, and then using one day, whether it be a Friday or a Saturday, to wear my hair out because I still want to enjoy my hair. But for November, what I've been doing is keeping my hair protected for the most part, and instead of using tools to stretch my hair, I'm just using three strand braids or 4-strand braids, which I really like the 4-strand braids. And I like bantu knots to stretch, but I don't want to create any tension around my edges because I'm trying to get my edges to become a little bit more fuller and fill back in this spot right here. As you can see, so guys, that's the breakage right there. It's not baby hairs, ladies and gentlemen, it's breakage. So what I'm gonna do is just take it back from, or attempt to recall the spot where I used to measure my hair and see if there has been any difference. So what I did today is put my hair in one ponytail, and then I banded the ends. So my hair is somewhat stretched but matted at the roots because I put some of the cream, which I will probably review on this channel quite soon because it's a great cream. You don't have to use any gel. It has like ingredients that really act like a jelly. You could call it like a gel cream, but I like to call it a moisturizer because that's what I get most out of it. But it lays your hairs. This is what is going on right now. Alright. So now as for the oil, I mean, I was all over the place with the oil. I didn't want to add anything extra to the oil, but I ended up doing that in the latter part of the month, maybe like the last week, which really doesn't count in a sense. So I added some black seed oil, and what else did I add? I added some shea oil as well, and some henna oil. So you're gonna see more of that on the channel as well. But I just wanted to test out the oils to see how they agree with my hair, and they definitely agree with my hair. So I'm gonna take this measurement now. As you can see, it's out of frame, so I'm just gonna readjust. And yep, you see that? So it go again, and I'm actually surprised because one thing I realize is that, just take it out, is that the curl formers that I used last week kind of give me some little breakage, so I'm not using those again, and it was only one time. I'm gonna stick to using my braids as much as possible. So this is my hair. tip. So this is what's going on. Alright. So I do feel like my hair is growing with this oil along with protective styling. Now I want to give like a general overview when I'm done at the 3-month mark that I established at the beginning of this hair growth journey with the herbal hair oil mix. So I'm going to take measurements from all over the place, and then I'm going to give myself somewhat of a break in December, try other things for the month, get back into my natural groove of things when it comes to my natural hair. And then when January passes, or probably at the beginning of the year, maybe I should do it at the beginning of the year. January is a special month, so I'll probably do it at the beginning of the year and challenge myself for maybe like 6 months and then take a break. Or I might just do it every quarter of the year. So I'll do it seasonally. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking. My hair has actually gotten a lot more resilient, and this is the back portion of my hair. I'm going to show you guys the front, but I'm not going to measure it because I didn't start off measuring the front of my hair, but just to give you guys an idea of how it looks. And I'm telling you now, I used to have locks, but I had to take them out because the dust was getting to me. I would say that the front is growing as well. And what I've been thinking about is focusing more of the oil, like giving, well, I can't do that. I want all of my hair to go. So I'm going to be focusing more on applying oil and doing circular massages. I'm going to be focusing more in the month of November on massages. I haven't done a hot oil treatment with this oil per se on a consistent basis, so what I'm going to do is like every other day I'm going to heat up the oil and then apply it to my scalp and apply some kind of technique, some kind of massaging technique for it, and then just go in there and work it in. I also have a Vanity Planet massaging brush that I can use, but for the most part this is my hair. And you would think, people would think that I blow dry my hair, right? Because I get that comment all the time, but I don't blow dry my hair. This is my natural hair texture, guys. Sometimes I'm confused, sometimes I don't know if I'm a 4B or a 4C, so I do my best not to really subscribe to anything now, but if I had to tell you guys what my hair texture is, it's definitely 4C. Alright, this is how my hair is looking. This area of my hair was very fragile, and it's getting stronger and stronger the more I use the oil mix, the more I stay consistent with the protective styling and so forth, and I don't apply any texture, because you see here, and it's just going back in. Alright, that's my temporal region. It's always been quite sparse, but I try my best not to use any tension in that area. Right, and it's almost 10 minutes. I don't want to get this any longer because this was just supposed to be a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys how my hair look, how it behaves, its persona. Because as you can see, it was this way. I know all I had to do was use my hands. No, all you need is your hands. I don't really think we need combs. I use like a seamless comb at the end of the month, and that's about it. Alright, and And I also do like Ayurvedic treatments. I do like fenugreek pre-poos. If you want a video on that, I have several different ways in which I do a fenugreek pre-poo. And I prefer fenugreek pre-poos over the mask. If I have a mask, it's gonna be in the summer when there is an abundance of avocados, and I can do an avocado fenugreek hair mask. So that's about it. So let me put back up my hair. You see, like the shape of my head and the density of my hair, like I have to be organized, otherwise it's going to be tangled and it's gonna mat. And you see, it's matted at the roots. All right, my hair is the perfect hair for locks. All right. But I'm just so grateful that I'm getting back the thickness of my hair. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I would say it's working, but it's too soon because 3 months hasn't gone yet. So we're gonna amp it up a little bit this month and see what the outcome is come the 7th of December. I know I was late, but hey, I still did the video. Okay, it may not have been the most accurate for the second month, but the second month doesn't really count. It's the third month that counts. All right, see you guys in the next video. It's going to be a deep conditioner video, and then I'm going to do like a hot oil towel treatment. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.